Hello and welcome to my channel, the place where I take you on RV tours, campground tours, to hiking destinations, and so much more. So now today's video is going to be a modification video. I am going to be using Rust-Oleum truck bed coating to coat the plastic parts on my Sprinter van. So I'm going to be using this on the front grille, the front bumper. All of this has faded over time, and I'm going to try to give it a nice, fresh, new look with some texture. So the side here, the running board has lots of chips on it. That's going to be sprayed also. The back bumper. And all the way through the side here, along with the side step for the driver. So first, you should wash your Sprinter van, which I've already done with mine. If you want to check out my video on how to wash your Sprinter van on your own, check out this link. So here are the materials that you'll need for this project. I've already told you about the Rust-Oleum truck bed coating, and I've purchased 6 of these cans because I'm not sure how many I will need yet. So I've also got the trim removal tool set, a flashlight, some plastic sheeting, Torx screwdriver, and some painter's tape. I've even bought some cardboard boxes to help cover some of the areas so that they do not get paint on them. So let's get started. So I've got my trim removal tool here. So I'm just going to start with the lights and pop this out. Okay, so I'm going to spray this separately, and I'm going to tape around the light to get spraying on the rest of that bumper. Okay, that popped right out. So I'm going to set it aside and tape around both of the lights to get this part sprayed. Okay, so I have the hood up, so now I am going to take the grill off so that I can paint the grill and tape up these chrome areas. So I'm using my Torx screwdriver and I'm loosening these bolts. Now that I've got the screws out, I am going to yank on the bottom of the grill to get the grill out. Okay, set it aside. So it's really hot outside, so I brought the grill indoors to work on it. I'm going to disassemble it. So to get this part off, you have to pull up on the 2 tabs, one on each side, and then pull up on the rest of the tabs to get it disassembled. To take the Mercedes logo off, you just twist it counterclockwise. So once you've got these tabs off, the painted part should come right off. So let's pull up on this. And there you go. Now I'm going to take these chrome pieces off, and that's simply a matter of pushing down on some of the tabs as well. Here's the grill completely disassembled, ready to be painted. Now when you remove those chrome pieces, you're going to want to make sure you keep them in the same pattern as when you took it off, so you know exactly where to put it back on. Okay, so I've covered the chrome pieces with the painter's tape, and I've installed them back onto the grill. And now I'm going to go ahead and spray it with that truck bed coating. Shake the can up. Let's start this. All right, so I've applied 2 coats to the grill and the fog light trim. So take a look at that. It's looking pretty good. Now I've taped up the parts of the van that I do not want to get this paint on. Don't forget to cover the fog lights and the front sensors. And let's start here now. So I just finished the first coat on the front bumper here. Just waiting for that to dry. So while that's drying, I went and assembled the grill, and take a look. So I've just finished up the second coat here on the front bumper. Now while that's drying, I'm working on the side here, so I've taped up the side and I'm going to spray the running board next. So I'm going to remove these non-skid plates first. There's 3 on this side here. So I'm going to unscrew them, I'm going to apply the coating on the running board and the non-skid plates separately. So let's take these off. All right, so I've just put the first coat on the running board and the non-skid plates. So while that's drying, I've taken the tape off of the front bumper area. And now I'm gonna install the grill. Okay, so I finished the second coat on the running board and I've put the non-slip skid pads back on top, and now let's take a look at the front. So I've put the front grille back in place and take a look. Looks pretty sharp. So next I'm going to work on the driver's side step. So I've just finished putting on 2 coats of paint on the side step for the driver's side, and I've also finished up the paint on the non-skid plate. I'm going to put that back on, and that's going to be pretty much it for today. I did run out of that truck bed coating paint, so I am going to do a part 2 of this video where I finish up the side moldings along with the rear bumper, and I might even do the tire rack. So thank you so much for joining me today. Please join me for part 2 in an upcoming video, and please subscribe to my channel and join me for that video and many more. Bye for now.